Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out these strips for the ties so that you can actually tie this onto your face. So I'm just going to cut the strips. So there's that. And then we're going to do one cut. So we have this, it's very long. Since it's straight enough at the bottom, we're going to just measure up. Let's say, I'm going to say probably, let's just do a foot. Let's cut this way, and I'm going to put at the edge. I'm just going to say, and let me also put this down here so we don't have completely lopsided. And this way we will get two squares. And I am going to make sure that this is fairly even, fairly even, fairly even. Let me also just cut this in half so that way we have two pieces. In case you make a mistake on one, or if you want two, that way we are all good to go. Let's see, cut, cut, cut. This is good. And let's go to the other side and cut there. So it does not have to be, you know, a precise measurement. Okay, and now that we have two, I am going to go over here, put that over there. And so now I bet we could, I wonder what folding in thirds gets. I think that will get probably enough. So this way, the seam will be at the bottom. Let me actually put this through because I feel like I have enough material to just tuck it in like so. And I feel like this is going to hold up. And it actually does cover enough. If you wish to do a demo, what I like to do is, because I've got, you know, big poofy hair, let me do a little bow tie because that's just easier. And that way it's easier to pull out, having lost strips. So anyway, you just pick it up fairly gently. There's a strip over here and just slip that over the hair. And now you can untie. And again, and it came undone, but that's okay. We're just going to retuck that and we are good to go. And then because it's stretchy t-shirt material, you can just tie it in the back, hopefully without tying any of your hair in it, which I certainly have never done. But yes, and happy bow tie in the back. It's sturdy and it's ready to go.